Denmark. Welcome to Denmark, a land of rich history, stunning landscapes, and some of the happiest people on Earth. Nestled in Northern Europe, Denmark is a country where modern innovation meets deep-rooted traditions. From the vibrant streets of Copenhagen to the serene countryside, this Scandinavian gem offers a unique blend of culture, history, and breathtaking natural beauty. Denmark is strategically located in Northern Europe, sharing its southern border with Germany and surrounded by the North and Baltic Seas. It is a gateway between mainland Europe and Scandinavia, making it a hub of cultural and economic exchange. A land of islands and innovation. Did you know Denmark is composed of over 400 islands? Among them, Zealand, Funen, and Jutland stand out as the most prominent. This remarkable nation is renowned for its commitment to sustainable living, cutting-edge technology, and an unbreakable bond with nature. The heart of Denmark, its people, and Sindschatten, with a population of around 6 million, Denmark is home to some of the world's most livable cities. Copenhagen, the vibrant capital, famous for its colorful Nyhavn harbor, royal palaces, and cycling culture. History comes alive at Rosenborg Castle, Christiansborg Palace, and Tivoli Gardens, one of the world's oldest amusement parks. Aarhus, a dynamic university city bursting with art, culture, and modern architecture. Don't miss Den Gamla, by the Old Town Museum, where history is frozen in time, or Aarhus Cathedral, Denmark's tallest church. Odense, step into a fairy tale in the birthplace of Hans Christian Andersen. Walk its charming streets, visit the Hans Christian Andersen Museum, and explore the magnificent Odense Cathedral. Aalborg, a city that effortlessly blends history with modern urban life. Be sure to visit Aalborghus Castle, a stunning Renaissance fortress, and Lindholm Høje, an ancient Viking burial ground that whispers stories of the past. Esbjerg, a coastal gem renowned for its fishing industry and deep ties to the North Sea. The iconic Man Meets the Sea sculpture and the Fisheries and Maritime Museum showcase its proud maritime heritage. Denmark, popular tourist attractions, a traveler's paradise. Every year, Denmark welcomes millions of tourists captivated by its rich history, breathtaking landscapes, and world-famous landmarks. Some must-visit attractions include the Little Mermaid statue, Copenhagen. One of Denmark's most iconic landmarks, inspired by Hans Christian Andersen's beloved fairy tale. Legoland, Billund Resort. A dream come true for families and Lego enthusiasts, featuring interactive exhibits and thrilling rides. Kronborg Castle, Elsinore. The legendary setting of Shakespeare's Hamlet. This UNESCO World Heritage Site is a treasure trove for history lovers. Egeskov Castle, a magnificent Renaissance water castle surrounded by enchanting gardens and fascinating museums. The National Museum of Denmark, Copenhagen. Immerse yourself in Viking heritage and Danish culture like never before. Skagen, a scenic coastal town, home to stunning beaches and the world-famous Skagen painters. Bornholm Island, a hidden gem known for its medieval round churches, rugged coastlines, and masterful artisan craftsmanship. Denmark's thriving economy. Denmark boasts one of the strongest and most stable economies in the world. With a GDP of approximately $400 billion and a GDP per capita of around $70,000, it ranks among the most prosperous nations globally. This success is fueled by pharmaceuticals, renewable energy, information technology, and agriculture, industries that define Denmark's forward-thinking economy. Safety and hospitality. A warm welcome awaits. Denmark is one of the safest countries in the world. With low crime rates and a strong legal system, this nation takes pride in its culture of integrity and accountability. But beyond safety, what truly stands out is the Danish warmth. While Danes may seem reserved at first, they are incredibly polite, friendly, and welcoming. Plus, with English widely spoken, communication is effortless for travelers. The culture of Denmark, a blend of history and modernity. Denmark's culture is deeply rooted in Viking heritage, monarchy, and Scandinavian traditions. Danes value simplicity, equality, and an exceptional quality of life. Ever heard of hygge? This Danish concept embodies coziness, warmth, and contentment. Whether it's through candlelit evenings, friendly gatherings, or indulging in comfort food. The country is also a powerhouse of creativity. Denmark has given the world Hans Christian Andersen, the legendary fairy tale writer, Søren Kierkegaard, the father of existentialist philosophy, world-class designers and architects with brands like Bang & Olufsen and Lego setting global standards for innovation. And let's not forget Danish cuisine. Traditional delights include smørrebrød, open-faced sandwiches, beautifully crafted and delicious. Frikadeller, Danish-style meatballs that melt in your mouth. Rødgrød med fløde, a delightful berry dessert, a true taste of Denmark. Festivals and celebrations. Feel the Danish spirit. Denmark knows how to celebrate. Some of its most cherished festivals include Fastelavn, a carnival-like festivity filled with costumes and laughter. Midsummer's Eve, Sankt Hans Aften, a magical night of bonfires and tradition. Christmas in Denmark, a time of festive markets, twinkling decorations, and delicious holiday treats. The discovery of Denmark, early human traces, and wars with Danish invaders. Denmark's history reveals a long and rich presence of human life, dating back to the Stone Age. Over time, the region became home to powerful seafaring warriors, the Danish Vikings, who played a crucial role in European conflicts and territorial expansion. Early traces of human life in Denmark. Archaeological discoveries show that humans have lived in Denmark for at least 12,000 years. Maglemosian culture, 9,000 under 6,000 BCE. Early hunter-gatherers thrived in forests and along the coast, using flint tools, fishing, surviving. Funnel beaker culture, 4,000 pounds to 2,800 BCE. Among the first farming societies, they built massive megalithic tombs, dolmens, and passage graves that still stand today. The Bronze Age, 1700 to 500 BCE. A time of great change, metalworking flourished, ships conquered the seas, and trade spread far beyond Denmark's borders. The Iron Age, 500 BCE, 800 CE. Fortified villages rose, warriors clashed, and one of history's greatest mysteries emerged. Tollund Man, a chillingly preserved bog body, whispering secrets from the past. These early civilizations laid the foundation for Denmark's thriving prehistoric society, long before the Viking Age reshaped European history forever. Wars with Danish invaders, Viking Age, 800 to 1050 CE. The Viking Age, Denmark's most legendary era, was defined by relentless expansion, fearless exploration, and brutal warfare. The Danish Vikings, known for their unstoppable seafaring and combat skills, launched ruthless invasions across England, France, Ireland, and even the Middle East. Major Viking wars and invasions charm. 1. The Danish raids on England 793-1016 CE. It all began in 793 CE. The first recorded Viking attack struck Lindisfarne Monastery, England, a terrifying moment that would signal the start of an era. For over 2 centuries, Danish warriors raided, conquered, and reshaped Europe. Key battles and conquests in England. 865 CE. The great heathen army, led by the infamous Ivar the Boneless and Halfdan Ragnarsson, stormed England, unstoppable, ruthless, hungry for conquest. 878 CE. King Alfred the Great fought back and won. At the Battle of Edington, he defeated the Danes, forcing them into Danelaw, a Viking-controlled stronghold. 1013 CE. Denmark struck again. King Sweyn Forkbeard invaded and conquered England. Denmark now ruled the land. 1016 CE. His son, Knut the Great, took it even further, forming the North Sea Empire. Denmark, England, and Norway all under one crown. 2 Viking wars in France and Ireland. Danish Vikings weren't done yet. 911 CE. Viking warlord Rollo carved out his own kingdom in northern France, creating Normandy, land of the Northmen. 841 CE. In Ireland, Danish Vikings captured Dublin, establishing a Viking kingdom that lasted for centuries. 3 wars in Scandinavia. Denmark wasn't just fighting abroad, it clashed fiercely with Norway and Sweden, battling for dominance over the Baltic and North Seas. The Battle of Svolder, 1000 CE. The mighty king Sweyn Forkbeard faced off against Norway's king Olaf Tryggvason and won, securing control over Norway. After the Viking Age, Danish medieval wars, 1057 to 1523 CE. Even as the Viking Age faded, Denmark's hunger for power remained strong, and war was far from over. Dano-Swedish Wars, 1400s-1500s. Denmark and Sweden fought in bloody battles, each vying for control of Scandinavia. The Kalmar Union, 1397 to 1523, Denmark, Norway, and Sweden were united under Queen Margaret I, a bold vision of a Scandinavian empire. But it wasn't meant to last. Sweden broke away, sparking even more wars. Denmark's legacy. Denmark's early history is a thrilling saga of discovery, conquest, and innovation. From the first settlers to the unstoppable Vikings, from ancient mysteries to medieval empires, Denmark's influence on history is undeniable. Even today, the echoes of Denmark's past remain, engraved in its landscapes, whispered through its legends, and immortalized in the stories of warriors who changed the world forever. Getting there. Airports and top-rated hotels. Denmark is easily accessible through its world-class airports. Copenhagen Airport, CPH. Denmark's busiest international hub. Billund Airport, BLL. The gateway to Jutland and Legoland. Aalborg Airport, AAL. Serving the vibrant north. Aarhus Airport, AAR. Perfect for exploring Denmark's second-largest city. Need a place to stay? Denmark offers exceptional accommodations. Hotel d'Angleterre, Copenhagen. A luxurious 5-star experience. Nimb Hotel, Copenhagen. A fairy tale boutique hotel inside Tivoli Gardens. Radisson Blu Scandinavia Hotel, Aarhus. A modern haven in the city's heart. Comwell Kellers Park, Vejle. A wellness resort with serene spa facilities. Legoland Hotel, Billund. A dream getaway for families visiting Legoland. A nation of happiness and sustainability. Denmark is not just a country, it's a way of life. Consistently ranked among the happiest and most eco-friendly nations, Denmark embraces a philosophy of harmony, sustainability, and well-being. So, as we conclude our journey through this remarkable land, one thing is certain: Denmark is a place you'll always want to return to. Thank you for exploring Denmark with us.